Hello to everyone! Today Happy Gringo Travel visits Casa Gangotena. Situated in the heart of Quito's old town, this beautiful restored colonial house has been turned into a hotel and has had an excellent reception amongst the travelers that enjoy the spacious high ceilings and luxury accommodations in a great area of the old town, overlooking San Francisco Plaza. Casa Gangotena facilities are very luxurious and have a beautiful colonial atmosphere. Their inner patio has a large open area bathed in natural sunlight and is always full with beautiful flowers and classical music. The garden at the far end of the inner patio is home to dozens of perfectly groomed Andean trees and plants. The garden also hosts the original fountain built in the property. But one of the most interesting attractions of Casa Gangotena is the rooftop bar and terrace, offering spectacular sweeping views of the historic district of Quito. Here, most of the guests spend the day admiring the view, eating, and taking photos. Casa Gangotena rooms and suites are also very well decorated, with their rich carpets, towering window frames, flowing curtains, and Art Deco furniture that add elegance and comfort. The food at Casa Gangotena is also spectacular. The menu uses ingredients from the 4 regions of Ecuador to create fusion plates that stimulate your senses in a new way. Also, if you have a special diet or allergies, Casa Gangotena is open to help you with the menu. Overall, Casa Gangotena is a unique experience that no one should miss. If you're in Quito and you're looking for a unique environment, good food, and a spectacular view, do not hesitate to spend some days here. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. If you have more questions about Casa Gangotena, check out our website, link will be in the description.